Hi friends, I am Nisar Haider and you are watching my YouTube channel Discover More. I am sharing one more interesting video with you, and this is the puzzle game which I prepared in Microsoft Excel. Not very difficult, just need a focus on the screen and numerical numbers. Let's see, I briefed to you. First of all, you are watching on a screen. I mentioned on top 6 digital numbers, 6 numerical numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 numbers. After that, I prepared 2 triangles. If you see in first triangle, I mentioned that how can 9 from all sides. It means that we need to be put these all 6 number in these 6 corners. As you are watching on the screen, there are 6 corners or 6 points are mentioned. We need to be fit these 6 number in these points or in these corners. For example, if we are putting 1 here, then 2 here, then 3 here. But 1 and 2 is equal to 3 and 3 and 3 is equal to 6. This cannot be 9. We need 9 number from here side. We need 9 number from this side. We need 9 number from this side. There are 3 sides. One side, if we are getting a start from here, 1, like 2 and 3. It means that in one side we have 3 points or 3 corners. In two or second sides we have only 1 corner, and third side we have 2 corners. It means that total 6 corners, 6 points, and we need to be put 6 numbers which are mentioned here. We cannot duplicate any number. Only single time we will mention this number. If you see another triangle, same triangle is here, 6 points are there, but our requirement is that our answer should be 12. Same like here, I need 9 number from this side, but here in this triangle I need 12 numbers from each side. Like from here I will count, then it should be 12, from here it should be 12, from here it should be 12. How it can be possible? Only from these 6 numbers. Just pause this video and think that how you can solve this puzzle. After that, I will show you that how I prepared or how I am going to solve this. Let's start to think. Okay friend, let's start. I am going to solve this puzzle. Hopefully you also solve this, but I am explaining that how I prepared this structure or physical appearance that which is in Microsoft Excel, and which commands and formulas I am going to use. Hopefully this will be useful for you. Let's start. First of all, in first triangle we need a 9 number from each side, right? So I prepared 3 sides here. In first side I mentioned 3 blocks or 3 boxes. In second side I mention only 1 box, and in third side I mention 2 boxes. I will put here number, and you will see that after my putting these numbers will be appear in these stars, and this puzzle will be complete. After completion it will be show that it is correct. Let's start. Here I am going to mention in first corner 1 number, right? If you are watching on the screen, this 1 number is appearing in first start. Second, I am going to put 5 number. Third, I am going to put third number. It means that 3 number I used. Now 3 other numbers are remaining because I cannot use duplicate. In second side I am going to use 4 number. In fifth side I am going to use second, it means that 2 number, and last remaining 6 number. Yes, it's correct, because if you can calculating here 1 and 5 6, 6 and 3 is equal to 9. Our requirement was 9, right? From here if we calculate 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. It means that 9, correct? 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. It means that from all 3 sides is showing 9 number. So this puzzle has been solved. How is that? Here our puzzle game is not finished. Let's start on second screen. It means that our second requirement was 12. right? On the same triangle, on the same number I am going to use, and I will show you that this total is equal to 12 from each side. How? I am putting first number 4, second number 2, third number 6. These 3 stars has been filled. Let's go on side number 2. I am going to put 1 only. In third side I am going to put 5 and 3. Correct. Now if you calculate, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 6 and 6 is equal to 12. Our requirement was 12, as you remember. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, right? And last side, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Great. It means that our puzzle has been solved, and that was the solution, that was the numerical solution, that was the sequence, that how we can put that. After our putting, these numbers are showing correct answer, that every side is showing 12 total amount. Great. Now I show you that how I prepared this screen, because this will be useful for you and you can show to other friends and you can show some other magics also. First of all, here I mention only conditional formatting. If you see on conditional formatting in detail, I already shared conditional formatting videos, and here I put it the formula that if this number is okay, then this color should be red. Now here is the question that where is this number, what is showing okay and how it is showing okay, right? If you see here, I am going to unhide some columns. If you watch carefully on the screen, I mention here only 2 formulas, combination of if and and. It means that if these 3 cells, 3 boxes are in as per my sequence like 4, 2 and 6, then reply should be okay, otherwise blank. If I blank any number, it means that our puzzle is not completed, and you can watch on the screen this triangle is not filled, right? After filling correct number, it will be show okay. In second okay, it means that showing second side. In third okay, it means that it is showing third side. And fourth okay, it is the combination of these 3 okays. It means that after 3 sides collecting okay, it is going to giving the go ahead, and after this go ahead we are filling this triangle. It means that after filling all correct numbers, this triangle automatically filled, like that. Same method was using in 9 number triangle, right? Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you learned about this formula and tricks, and after that you can share with your friends. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Hopefully coming videos will be more interesting for you. Thank you very much. Bye.